Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this tutorial video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add music to iMovie application. Adding music to your iMovie app is a super easy process. Open the iMovie application from your mobile device and open up a project or start a new one. To start a new one, go ahead and select a media from your device's camera roll that you want to edit or add music to. Once you are done selecting the media, click on Create at the bottom. This will take you to the editing screen where you can now edit your media. To add music, simply go ahead and select the media layer on the screen, and to add music, simply go ahead and tap on the plus icon on the top left corner and then select Audio from the options. From the audio section, choose one of the folders and select the sound you want to add to your video. Tap the plus button right next to the sound effect or the sound, and you will be able to see the song added to your timeline. Go ahead and drag and drop your music layer and place it on your desired area on the timeline. Make sure that the music and the video layer aligns with each other. After you are done, you can now go ahead and adjust the volume of the music by clicking on the music layer and tapping on the volume icon at the bottom. Now, drag the slider to increase or decrease the volume on the music clip. You can create smooth transitions by fading in or out the music by tapping on Fade on the bottom right and using the trimming tool so that you can choose a specific area you want to fade on your music clip. You can also add multiple audio tracks to your project to share to layer different sounds if you wish. And that is how you can easily add music on iMovie. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.